Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Lisa. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of May 2020. If you guys don't know what Ipsy is a beauty subscription box with various memberships, and this one right here is $12 a month, and it includes 5 sample deluxe size products. Okay, so let's get started. Ooh, okay, so this is the bag. Okay, so it's like an ombre bag with pink, white in the middle, and then yellow on the bottom. So it's really cute. I like it, and it's like a leather texture. And then this is the little opening, and then the inside is yellow with the Ipsy logo here. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the card. Oh, okay. So the bag. Okay, so the theme of this month is Get That Glow, Ipsy Get That Glow. And then unfortunately on the card it does not say the products you're receiving that I'm receiving this month. I don't know what happened. The same thing happened to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, so yeah. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open my app and then see, you know, the products that I receive, and if I need to read a little bit about it or the full price of that item is, I will let you guys know. Okay, so let me start getting the things out. First thing I see here is a brush. You guys know I love brushes, and this one is from the brand Farah. I love Farah. Actually, Farah is one of the first brushes I received in one of these subscription boxes, and I loved it. It's a big blending brush. I don't know if I have it right here. No, but anyways. Oh yeah, no, never mind. I thought it was that one, but it was another. And I loved it. It blends beautifully. The bristles are super soft and precise. The handle is super luxurious. I love these shiny handles with the little pointy at the end. And then this one, oh, it's also a blending brush. It says blender brush 25 EL. So yeah, that's nice. Okay, and I think this is a full-size product. Yeah, they usually have, you know, it's 5 products, it's sample deluxe sizes, but once in a while they throw in a full-size product, and this one is, yeah, it's a full size and it's $10. So that's nice to get. You're already almost there. You got the value of your bag. The next thing I see here, ooh, okay, this is new. I never received a package for my hair, and this is a product for your hair. It's from Pure Brazilian with keratin, acai, argan oil, and cocoa butter. It's a daily anti-frizz serum. It says leave-in treatment for longer, healthy looking hair. Whoa, that's cool. Yeah, I think I actually updated my profile, and I said that I wanted to receive now some hair care things, products like that for my, like, when my hair gets frizzy when I go outside and things like that. So let me read really quick what it says. How to use it. It says for thick or coarse hair, work a quarter size amount of this serum through towel dry hair from roots to end. If your hair is on the finer side, use a dim size amount and apply it starting 2 inches from your roots. Blow dry and heat style as desired. So I guess when your hair is almost like, it's wet but like kind of like dry from your towel, you put in a little bit of this. And let me see, it doesn't say the value of this. No, it doesn't say it, so I don't know what the full size value of this product is. Anyways, next thing I see here, oh, it's a mascara from Benefit Cosmetic. It's a super curling and lifting mascara, roller lash black mascara. So I'm gonna open the packaging, but I'm not gonna open the actual mascara because I have opened so many that I have them and it's going to waste. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like in the outside. It's a cute packaging. It's really small and portable, and it fits perfectly in your purse if you need a touch-up or something on your lashes. And it's a rose pink and then black. And I'm gonna show you right here what the one looks like. I don't want to like open it. Then you have right here, this is what the one looks like. So it's pretty nice. I think it's like one of those thin ones that is perfect for the bottom lashes as well. So that's nice to receive that. Then let me see, it doesn't tell you the full size value. I don't know why. Anyways, let me see the other item. Okay, oh, so this is a Yensa Color and Face Skin on Skin VC Concealer, full coverage concealer, and then it's in the shade medium warm. Oh, nice. I'm gonna have to try this out and let you guys know what I think. I'm excited to test this as well. And let me see, I'm trying to see like the full size value of these items are, because I don't have them. But no, I don't know why it's not telling me. Oh well. Anyways, okay. Ooh, from Tarte, I got this Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask. Tarte Sea Strawberry Jelly. Ooh, nice. Excited to try this out. This is what it looks like. Okay. So that's pretty much it. Really quick to see, just in case, if this one says the full size value. No, it does not say the full size value, but really good items. I'm excited to test all of them out and let you guys in all their future videos, and let me know what you guys receive in your Ipsy Glam bag, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos, for commenting, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.